Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 15th of March 2023, then show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next. Then I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Okay, let's start now. As you can see, we were in this channel for a long time on silver, and we broke out of that here in previous days. And right now the price is playing on the bigger time frames like daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Nothing special is going on, but in lower time frames like 1 hour, we are in a box, as I told you in my previous video, which you can check up there. We are still in this box when we see, it was something like this, and it just broke it here. Okay, it broke out of this box. It was like this. It broke out of this box, but it didn't continue its actually direction it wanted to go. But after that, when we see such things, stop losses and stuff and things like that, we just extend it like this one. Okay, and also one here, so we again extend it, and we are still in this box on the lower time frames like 15 minutes. If we see some reactions to the top of this and actually bottom of this box, if we see a nice pin bar like this one, or a nice green candle on this support, or another pin bar here, or actually a red candle, we can go for buy and sell positions. And also on the 5-minute time frame, it is not important which time frame you trade, you can go for buy and sell positions on them. Okay, thanks for watching silver analysis today. Let's move to the next part, which I just gonna show you the positions I made yesterday. Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart 5-minute time frame, 14th of March 2023, and I'm gonna show you 4 positions I made on it, and see how I enter positions and how I set my stop loss and how I exit my positions, and you can learn from them and trade in the real and live market. Okay, but before we see these positions, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, on the first position we did have this trend line with 3 touches, 1, 2, 3 touches. On the 4th time it was broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us something around risk to reward 2 here. On second position we did have this trend line with several touches, and actually it was broken here with this green candle. Let me clean it. On this green candle we could enter buy position there, put our stop loss somewhere safe like here, and it gives us something around risk to reward 5. As you can see, our target can also be this resistance line here, where the price came to this level and started falling there. We draw a resistance line like this. In the future the price reacts to that level and also makes a pin bar like that, a long shadow with a small body to the downside. We can close our buy position there, and also go for a reverse position and go for a sell position here. We can enter here, put our stop loss above the candle, and gives us something around 5.6 here. We could also enter sell position with more safety on this trend line too, with the break of it here, and put our stop loss above the candle there and go for risk reward 2. On the last position we did have this trend line with 2 touches. Actually it was like this. When we see that shadow there, we extend it, and it is broken here. We can enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 3.8 here. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.